From when I started, I wasn't really pushing the boundaries, I was doing what I was told. And now I feel much more confident and comfortable to say, actually, I think this would look better, I think that we should do it this way, or even bring in completely new ideas to the business. I did it really because I was doing my A-levels in school, struggling a bit, learning styles can be very different. Looked into it and saw that I could be doing what I love straight away. I think if I was doing this at uni, because I wouldn't have that aspect where I can go back and then apply it, I think I would struggle a lot more because I'd be taking in but not really fully understanding what I was doing. I very much learn whilst I'm doing something, so having to actually just write it on paper, I just couldn't translate that. Tech is always changing and it's always developing, always adding new things on, so I do feel that apprenticeships are always, they change with it, whereas degrees, they might not update the courses regularly. I found that every kind of course they were looking at recent case studies, they were adding in most relevant content. I very much was sceptical and wasn't sure if this was for me, but once I did it, it was the best decision I made. It was for me and I realised that straight away, so definitely the right choice.